Slow down from the daily hustle and bustle and come home to Villas by the Lake. Nestled in a quiet setting next to the beautiful lake, our garden-style community is the ideal place to call home. You'll appreciate the ample parking we provide and the 24-hour maintenance staff that is available for all of your needs. Your spacious 1- or 2-bedroom home offers a comfortable living space to come home to, with an intercom system, a large amount of closet space in your oversized walk-in closets, and window coverings for added privacy. Your impressive kitchen has a gas range and dishwashers are available. And your private patio or balcony is a welcome place to relax after a long day. Our quaint community is near all the urban conveniences you crave, yet still maintains a quiet and serene feeling. We are surrounded by an abundance of your favorite restaurants and shopping, and near top area schools, making our location the ideal place to call home. Call Villas by the Lake today and let us welcome you home.